here. T Fal Essentials. I'm excited. I cannot wait to test these T Fal Essentials. You have everything that you need here. Everything. Okay, T Fal Essentials. So what do we have here? We have a covered Dutch oven, covered saucepan, kitchen tools, every single one that you would ever need, covered saucepan, saute pan, a folding steam basket, and test this out if this is actually any good. Oh, what do we have here? We have a patent thermal spot. Heat indicator turns solid red when pan is ideal temperature. Everyday non-stick for easy cooking and cleaning up. Let's test that if it's actually true. Even heat based. Let's test this out if this is actually true. I'm so hungry right now, so I'm excited to cook. What's my baby girl doing? Do you want to come unboxing with me? Do you want to play? As someone who loves to cook and enjoy cooking homemade meals at home, this is happiness right here. Let's unwrap this and start cooking and test these out. If are they any good? This is a 24-centimeter Dutch oven. It's quite big, perfect to cook large batch of food, especially soup. Can't wait to cook some soup. You can steam your vegetables in this. Time to steam our vegetables in a brand new pot and pan. Time to steam up some veggies. This is a 16-centimeter covered saucepan. Perfect for when you're making something small, something quick. T Fal, the brand logo on the handle. T Fal offers different sizes. This one is a slightly bigger one. This is 18-centimeter saucepan, 26-centimeter saucepan. Perfect to cook those juicy, thick steaks. Can't wait to do that. Oh, I love steaks. They're so good. You can see the coating inside. Here's an up close so you guys could see the inside of what it looks like. There's a red dot to show an indicator that it's ready to be cooked when it's hot enough. A 20-centimeter saute pan, which is perfect to cook your scrambled eggs in the morning. Sunny side up with the side of bacon. Perfect for one. We have all the sizes you could ever need. It's adorable. It's perfect for cooking for one for breakfast. And also it includes these made of plastic, hard plastic. I'm personally not a fan. I prefer stainless steel. It's more heavy duty. But especially with these pans have a special coating with a non-stick. So you need to use these plastic ones to protect your pots and pans and for it to last a lot longer. When you use stainless steel, it will break the coating of the pots and pans, and whenever you cook your food, it will stick to the pan. So even if you don't like these, use them, because these will protect your pans and it will last a lot longer than if you were to use stainless steel. When using stainless steel, it will break the coating of the pots and pans and it will destroy your pots and pans and break the seal. So when you cook, your food will stick to the pot and pan. So definitely use these ones. Even if you don't like it, use it. It will protect your pots and pans and it will last a lot longer. Has your ladle, it has one to stab it in to cut your turkey, this massive fork, spoon, pasta, flip a burger, to flip more burgers. I'm so hungry right now, I haven't had breakfast. So let's go cook and test these out. Are these pots and pans any good? Let's go cook. First, clean your pots and pans after you just unboxed it. Add some water, cook until it's hot to prepare your pots and pans, and make sure they're clean before you start cooking. It's kind of cool that you can see where it landed, where the hot water is, where the cold water is. You can see the separation. Pour that water out, and now we're ready to cook. Okay, one thing that's cool about this pan is when it starts to get hot, do you see the middle T in the middle? It would indicate, and you would be able to see, the temperature is pretty high now that you're ready to cook. T with a circle, and then there's like little like dark red dots on the outer circle. So that is an indication that it's pretty hot now. Ready to cook. We have a patent thermal spot. Heat indicator turns solid red when pan is ideal temperature. It's kind of cool that it has that indication. I'm going to saute some onions. Time to steam our vegetables in a brand new pot and pan. While that's cooking, I need that back. Time to steam up some veggies. Season and mix and put to the side. And put to the side. Add your favorite meat in. Added my marinated beef. I sliced and cut some mushrooms. The meat now is done cooking on medium heat. Now to toss in the mushrooms. Time to toss in our sauteed onions. Enjoy the food that you just cooked. Plate up your food, and this is what I made for today. Can't wait to dig in. It smells so good. I am so hungry right now. It's 4 o'clock and I have not had breakfast yet. I did not add any oil. I received these products for free from influencer and brands in exchange for my honest opinion and review. So glue me out today. I also really like how this is a set, so everything that I need is right here. Sometimes I forget something while I'm cooking, and then I'm like, shit, I don't have this pot which I need. Then I have to go out and get it. This whole set has everything that you need. You will not feel frustrated, at least for me. So having this whole set, if you're a new homeowner, you need new pots and pans that you're looking to try, this is a good brand. I tested it out. I personally like it. I'm very happy with it. It's non-stick. Comes with all the size of pots and pans that you would need to cook your meals on a daily basis or how often you cook. A good brand of cookware. You don't have to break the bank. It's a good price range, as well as it has all the pots and pans you would need to cook your delicious meals. So I'm personally very happy with this cookware set that cooked my food, and I'm gonna enjoy this. Bon appetit. So what do you guys think? Have you guys tried it before? Let me know down in the comments if you like, or maybe you hate this product. Go share your experience down in the comments below, and I'm gonna go enjoy this food.